So where things get kind of a little funky with elimination is sometimes we're not necessarily going to have the same number that'll cancel out for coefficients. So look at 1a. If I was to add or subtract this, there's nothing that will cancel. Now the good news is I know that if I multiply everything inside one equation, it doesn't change the value of the equation. This is an important piece of information because check it out. If I multiply this bottom equation by, let's say, a 2, I would get 6x minus 14y equals negative 38. Why was that helpful? We'll check it out. Now with my top equation, this is going to give me an opportunity for things to cancel. So that's what we're doing today, what we're adding. It's elimination just like you did yesterday, but you're going to have to multiply an equation, or maybe both of them, to get things to cancel. What I like to do is look at what is a multiple of itself already. So like 3 is a multiple of 6. So I knew it would be easy to multiply the bottom equation by 2. To try and get 2 to become 7, that was going to be a decimal. That was going to be ugly. So that's why I chose to multiply by 2. And now I can go ahead and add or subtract them. It looks like I'm going to need to subtract, so I'm going to use my super secret ninja move to subtract the signs. Alright, so my x's cancel. They become 0. Negative 14y plus 2y is negative 12y. And it's going to equal negative 48. So I can divide by negative 12. Y equals 4. And then the same thing every day. Is this my final answer? No. Why? Because your answer should be a point. You only have half of it. So you need to take 4 and plug it back in. It does not matter which equation you plug into. I think I'm going to do the top one because I don't want to deal with the 19. So 6x minus 2 times 4 equals 10. So 6x minus 8 equals 10. Add 8 to both sides. 6x equals 18. If I divide by 6 on both sides, x equals 3. So if I write my answer as a point to x, y, my final answer is going to be 3, 4. Now, sometimes you're going to have to actually multiply both equations. So look at 2a. I'm thinking, okay, can I turn this 2 into a 5 using multiplication? Well, not really, not easily. Same thing here, not so much. So here's my suggestion. Just take these two numbers right here, crisscross applesauce, multiply diagonally. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by the 2 and the bottom one by a 5. So it'll be 10x minus 6y equals 12. 10x plus 25y equals negative 50. Okay, super secret ninja move. Let's subtract, change the signs. And now I can add down. And I can solve. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to do that. There we go. And y equals negative 2. I would need to plug back in and solve for x to write my answer as a point. Always remember to multiply everything in the equation, and don't forget your negative signs. This is not the homework. And that's it for today.